Meaning of change. Change means to make or become different. It can be used as a verb, action, or a noun, thing. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb. 1. I will change my clothes before dinner. 2. Can you change the subject? 3. He changed schools last year. 4. The weather might change by evening. 5. She changed her hairstyle. As a noun. 6. There's a big change in his behavior. 7. I need some change for the bus. Coins or small notes. 8. The company made a major change in policy. 9. A small change can lead to big results. 10. They welcomed the change happily.